Let me just zoom in here. Shitty zoom in. On the deer. Oh dear. Yes. Look at them. They're just walking across. All stealthy like. And there's the other one right there. Oh, that one has a big lead. Oh, he's way over. He's way gone. That one. But this one here. And there's my boopies. My puppies. Oh, look at the moon, guys. That's awesome. Oh, look at this deer right here, folks. Oh, look, there's one. Do you see him? He's behind the tree there. He's behind the tree. I'm not sure if you guys can see him there. Here, let me get a close-up for you fine people on the internet. Yep, you can see his head there. And you can see this deer. Whoa. There's that car. Oh, that one's coming back. Look at him. Oh, my. Oh, deer! And there's one behind him. Hey, we got like 4 here. Excuse me. Take my dogs. I get a piss over there. So. There goes that one. You see him there? Yep. Nice tree behind him. Oh, look, they're moving. And nice. Oh, they're gonna come out here. Yes, come on out. Come on out. You know you want to. Chaos. He's pretty chaos. That's why he's named that. Chaos. Come here, Chaos. Come here, Chaos. Okay, sorry about that. Where is he there? Oh, here we go. Here they all come. 1, 2, 3. And you can see this number. I'm getting gripped up by the nature. You can see this dude coming. He's coming across. He's gonna join the party. That bird. I'm sure you guys see that, but that was a bird. I'm not sure if you guys can see the party. It's 4 big here. Deer. Oh dear. Fireworks. Look at that sky, bruh. Wow. Anyways. Yeah, so the neighbor's nature is... Oh, there's a bird. Neighbor's nature is here tonight with these here deer. Because it's hard to predict deer, but these deer have made it possible. This is probably the most popular thing on my channel, the Neighbor's Natures. So thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. God, I'm taking the piss. Okay. But let's just get closer here. Dog just took a piss. Chaos! No! No! Chaos! No! Chaos! Come on! No! Chaos! Hey! Get away! Come on! No! Come on! Go! Get away! No! No! Come on! Go that way. He shouldn't be around these areas. Make me interrupt. He's pissing again. Made me interrupt my deer watching. Sorry about that, folks. And there's the deer for you. Oh, here comes one. He's coming out. Here he comes. Hello, sir. Welcome to the Road 96 Neighbor's Nature. Another night of, what's this one gonna be called? Another night of Neighbor's Nature. There's a bird, so that's nature. Yes, he's in here. He's in the crowd. He's here. Where's my doggy, though? Okay. Where's my puppies? I have to go find the dog now. Because this is very important. I have to find the dog. Chaos! Alright, Captain Chaos. Come on, babies. Alrighty. Well, that'll be the end of this episode. Neighbors, nature. So, click all those other buttons and... yeah. That'll be that. Yeah, so click subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Neighbors, nature. Yeah.